Hey, I'm Jackie Linayao. I'm a creative director, designer, and artist. I would describe my design style as clean, modern, and a little bit edgy. I'm a big fan of spaces that look really cool, but are also incredibly thoughtful and functional and comfortable. Here's a mood board for a feminine, modern kitchen, or even a laundry room. We'll start with this incredible terrazzo as our countertop. First, we're complementing the brown here with this Modin luxury vinyl plank from Flooret in the color Sutton. But it's going to provide a great contrast and complexity to the sleekness of the rest of our finishes. Next, drawing from the blue in the terrazzo, I found this amazing tile which looks almost gray in sunlight, but when you put it here against the terrazzo, you can immediately see the blue undertones. So, pro tip, always look at samples in relation to other textures and in the light of your particular room. To complement these light shades, we're going to bring the drama with this rich cabinet color. The color from a swatch usually translates darker and more saturated in a bigger area. If you're looking for a sophisticated space, choose a swatch color you like, then go a little lighter, then go a little grayer. Thank me later. We want to let these materials shine, so we'll paint the walls with a light gray with just a hint of blue undertones and a pure white trim. And finally, the jewelry. A bright brushed brass again brings out the gold from the terrazzo, and it adds shine and a contrast to all the blue.